Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a coolest birthday card using watercolor. I'm using light orange to paint the popsicle. We are going to paint 3 popsicles and this birthday card doesn't need any pre-sketch. I just make sure that the popsicle looks like an inverted U, that is alphabet U. That is the idea that I'm holding here. Next, I'm using red color to paint the second popsicle. While painting the second popsicle, I slightly touch the first one so that the color gets mixed. There is background and allow the watercolor to do whatever it likes. I want some unexpected results on the popsicles, so I slightly touch the first popsicle. If you don't want any background or mixing of colors, you can allow gap between the two popsicles. I mixed Prussian blue with little violet for this popsicle. I mixed orange with light orange with little brown to paint the sticks. When the popsicle is still wet, I paint the sticks so the color, that orange color, runs over the sticks, and that is okay. Next, we are painting the groove which is on the popsicle. The color on the groove should be dark. So I'm using dark orange to paint the grooves. And for a red popsicle, I mixed red color with little brown to get the darker shade of red. And for blue, I used dark blue to form the groove of that blue popsicle. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor paintings. See you in another video. Bye bye.